Mickey Jagger. Very famous rock star. I'm Mickey Jagger.
The talk all day was about Mick Jagger with the energy of a 30-year-old. So we wanted to know his secret.
You know, he's the same age as Biden. He works out every day. He has 2 trailers that are just his workout equipment.
People are willing to pay, $500-600 for a seat. Just think what they would pay for Mick Jagger Elixir.
At 82 years old, Mick Jagger is still full of energy, more than many people half his age. As the famous lead singer of the Rolling Stones, he stayed fit and kept his rock and roll legend status alive for decades. It's no surprise that Maroon 5's hit song Moves Like Jagger was inspired by his amazing dance moves and stage presence. But how does he do it? In this video, we'll take a closer look at Mick Jagger's real diet and workout routine and explore the secrets behind how he stays so strong, active, and youthful even in his 80s. Mick Jagger, whose full name is Michael Philip Jagger, was born on July 26, 1943 in Dartford, Kent, England. He grew up in a middle-class family where music was a big part of life. His mother, Eva Ensley Mary Scutts, loved music and introduced Mick to jazz and blues when he was young. In 1960, Mick started studying at the London School of Economics, but his true passion was music. He often went to music clubs around London, where he soaked in the city's lively music scene. During this time, he met Brian Jones, Ian Stewart, and Keith Richards. Together, they laid the foundation for what would become the Rolling Stones. In 1962, the band officially formed, with Mick as the lead singer. His unique voice, high-energy stage presence, and bold personality quickly grabbed the attention of both fans and the music industry. In his early years, Mick had a huge passion for music, a strong desire to succeed, and a natural ability to grab people's attention. These traits helped him and the Rolling Stones rise to the top of the music world, becoming one of the most famous and long-lasting rock bands ever. As he got older, Mick made some big lifestyle changes. He has been sobered for many years now and has reportedly stopped using drugs completely. He finds out staying in shape was key to giving great performances on stage. This pushed him to stick to a tough workout routine. He knew that if he wanted to keep up with the physical demands of being a rock star, he had to take care of his body. Living healthy also helped him keep his energy, good looks, and long-term health. Eating better was also a big part of the change. His relationships over the years had an impact too. He's been with some of the world's most famous models and actresses, many of whom are known for their healthy habits. Being around them inspired him to take his own health and fitness more seriously. While the rock star life is often linked with junk food, late nights, and too much partying, Mick chose a different path to stay strong and sharp. For Mick Jagger, staying healthy and full of energy is key to performing his best. So what does a typical day of eating look like for the Rolling Stones frontman? He starts his day with a healthy breakfast, knowing it's the most important meal. His morning meal includes whole grain cereals, fresh fruit, yogurt, and a glass of fresh juice or a smoothie. This gives him the energy he needs and keeps him full until lunch. When it's time for lunch, Mick keeps things balanced. He usually eats lean protein like grilled chicken or fish, along with whole grains such as quinoa or brown rice, and plenty of vegetables either steamed or roasted. This kind of meal helps him stay energized and also supports muscle recovery after his workouts. When Mick feels like snacking, he chooses healthy options to stay energized between meals. A handful of almonds, a piece of fruit, or some hummus with veggie sticks is usually enough to keep him going. At dinner, Jagger likes to get a bit creative with his food. He puts together meals that include protein, veggies, and healthy fats. A typical dinner might be grilled salmon, asparagus, and a mixed green salad with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. It's a nutrient-packed meal that helps him stay strong, healthy, and looking great. He also knows the importance of staying hydrated, so he drinks plenty of water and herbal teas throughout the day. While he might enjoy a glass of wine or another drink now and then, he always keeps it in moderation. Mick has also tried the keto diet, which is high in protein and low in carbs. This type of diet helps burn body fat and keeps his energy levels high. Jagger takes his fitness seriously. Now let's look at what his workout routine includes. First, there's cardio, which is important for his high-energy stage performances. Jagger loves running and often runs several miles a day. He also does other aerobic exercises like swimming, cycling, or dancing to keep his heart strong and his stamina up. But it's not just about cardio. Jagger also does strength training to keep his muscles strong and protect his joints. He works with a personal trainer who helps him focus on different muscle groups using bodyweight exercises, resistance training, and movements that support real-life strength. He also enjoys yoga and Pilates, which he adds to his workouts to improve his flexibility, core strength, and balance. These exercises also help him manage stress and stay focused. As if that wasn't enough, Jagger has trained in martial arts like kickboxing and Brazilian jiu-jitsu. These sports give him a full-body workout, improving his coordination, reflexes, and mental focus. Of course, all that hard work can be tough on the body. That's why Jagger makes recovery a priority. He uses foam rolling, stretching exercises, or massages to help his muscles recover after intense workouts. Jagger's workout routine shows how committed he is to staying in shape and keeping his energy levels high. It's a mix of exercises that challenge him and help him stay fit in many different ways. Mick Jagger is famous for his high-energy performances and big personality, but even a rock star like him faces health problems. In 2019, he had heart surgery to replace a damaged valve, which caused the Rolling Stones to postpone their North American tour while he recovered. Luckily, the surgery was a success, and Jagger bounced back quickly. That experience was a wake-up call for him, and since then, he's been more open about taking care of his health. In a recent interview with Rolling Stone magazine, Jagger prioritized the importance of self-care, saying, "You have to take care of yourself. You can't just ignore it. I'm definitely taking better care of myself these days." As a rock star with amazing energy, Mick also understands how important it is to take care of his mind. Over the years, he's tried different ways to support his mental health, and some of them are pretty interesting. For example, he uses meditation to help him stay calm, focused, and reduce stress. He also does yoga, not just for staying fit, but also to feel better mentally by lifting his mood and improving the connection between his body and mind. He has also learned how to balance his busy career with rest and time for personal relationships, which is really important for keeping his mind healthy. As a creative person, he expresses his feelings through writing songs, singing, and performing, which is an excellent way to release stress and clear his mind. He also has a close circle of friends, family, and fellow musicians who support him and give him a safe space to share his feelings. Besides music, he enjoys other hobbies too, which helps him live a balanced and happy life. He understands that doing things you enjoy is important for staying mentally healthy. While it's not clear if he's ever seen a therapist, he has spoken about how helpful therapy and counseling can be for dealing with stress and taking care of your emotional well-being. While things like genetics can affect how long we live, there's still a lot we can do to stay healthy and live a longer life, just like Mick. Making the right lifestyle choices can have a big impact. One of the most important things is eating a balanced diet. Try to eat more foods that are full of nutrients, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean meats, and healthy fats. It's also a good idea to cut back on processed foods, too much sugar, and unhealthy fats to help prevent disease and feel your best. Staying active is just as important. A mix of cardio, strength training, and stretching exercises can help you stay fit and strong. Managing stress is also key to staying mentally healthy. You can try things like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. And don't forget to balance work and rest so you don't burn out. Do things you enjoy. Hobbies and fun activities can help you relax and feel happier. Getting good sleep is also very important for your health. Try to sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day and creating a calm, quiet sleep space can help you rest better. Spending time with friends and family also supports your mental and emotional well-being. Being around people you care about can make you feel more connected and supported, so keep those relationships strong. It's also important to avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking can cause serious health problems, and drinking too much alcohol isn't good for you either. Stick to safe, recommended amounts. Don't forget to go for regular health checkups. Seeing your doctor for screenings and tests can help catch health problems early when they're easier to treat. There's no magic trick to living a long life like Mick Jagger, but making healthy choices like these can really help you stay strong, feel good, and enjoy life longer.